instant back crack for tension release, and this is how we help a natural weightlifter.
Bro, I swear to God, did my back yesterday, my back's pumping, so obviously make sure you come to...
You can tell you did back yesterday because the cup's a bit more purple, so that means that there's more stagnation there, feeling a bit tight. We sort this out and then you can do more back exercises.
100%.
Let's get this.
With cupping and acupuncture, we can assist in the management of back pain and shoulder pain. So if you know anyone of pain, let us know. We can sort them out naturally at AcuLife Acupuncture.